Hi, good day friends. We are from 8 groups. We are standing here to tell you about descriptive text.
But before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rinda Yuliana.
My name is Diva Lailatul Veronica.
My name is Zara Yupradita. First, I want to describe Diva. She has short hair, thin eyebrow, wide forehead, brown eyebrows, chubby cheeks, thin lips, and brown skin. She is a short girl, slim body, and sweet smile. She is a friendly person, good, humble. She is careful person, polite, and she is a smart girl. She wake up at 5:30 every morning. She go to school at 6 o'clock. She was taken to school by her father on a motorbike. After school, she rests. After resting, she clean up the house, then she took a shower, then prayed Maghrib. After that, she prayed on his childhood. Then she prayed Isha. After praying, she studies. After studying, she go to sleep. Her favorite subjects are Pancasila education and history.
And now it's my turn to describe Zahra. She has short, straight black hair, a white forehead, thick eyebrows, black eyes, a flat nose, thick lips, chubby cheeks with round face. She is a tall girl with full body, and she has a tan skin. Their activities is she wakes up at 5 in the morning every day. She goes to school on a motorbike accompanied by her grandfather at 5 past 40. After school, she cleans the house, taking showers, prays Maghrib, relax, praying Isha, and then she sleeps. Zahra is a friendly person, kind and cheerful, and also she is so smart. Her favorite subject is marketing class.
Last but not least, I will describe Indah. She has long straight black hair, white forehead, thick eyebrow, flat nose, tapered cheeks, and face shape. Also, she has thin lips. She is a tall with she is a tall and she is tall with slim body with tan skin. In their personality, she is a shy person, but she's fun. She's kind, friendly, and smart. Daily activities that Indah does since her wake up until she go to sleep again is she's always wake up at 4 past 40 in the morning every day. After that, she goes to school at 6 past 5, accompanied by her big brother on a motorbike. After that, after school, she took a shower and then she ate. After that, she prayed Maghrib. She prayed Maghrib, and then she do her homework until Isha prayer. After that, she play her cell phone, and then she go to sleep. In the favorite subject is English and history. That's
And
all
that's all
from
from
us.
us.
Thank you so much.